Hey YouTube, I just rebuilt the carb on this thing. It's a dual jet. It's a 267 2-barrel. This will be the first start. The engine was ran about an hour ago, hour and a half maybe. So let's see what it does. It's just going to be a cranking pump and start. I'm not going to prime the carb or nothing. Looking good. I want to go smell the exhaust. I haven't adjusted it yet. I have to let it warm right up. Still smells like hell. Okay, I'm going to let it warm up for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to adjust it. I had to make the screws adjustable. You see the little notch in them there. Open up, choke. Alright guys, check in for part 2 after I adjust it and everything.